Let's rewind to 2006 when many of us saw the movie Tokyo Drift for the first time. I can't be the only one who watched it and thought, yeah, I need some of the cars like that one day. Back then, I didn't fully understand what made the JDM cars so special. I just knew they looked different, they moved different, they were just unforgettable. I didn't really grow up around car culture too much. Everything I knew I picked up over time through movies, friends, and YouTube, you name it. But Tokyo Drift planted the seed. It introduced me to something outside the usual. The world of Japanese engineering, street tuning, and individuality. But the RX-7 always stuck with me. Not because it was the fastest or the loudest, but because it was different, balanced, and simply just beautiful. And honestly, the rotary engine, yes, is high maintenance, takes patience, but that's what makes it so rewarding. It's about building something with character. Buying this car wasn't impulsive, it was intentional. A way of reminding myself that goals can sit in your head for years and still be worth chasing. Some people buy the dream cars in their 20s, others later. For me, it happened when the timing made sense and when I had the resources to build and not just buy. Everyone's got their version of why they're into cars. For me, it started with a movie, but it stuck because of the way driving makes me feel. Present, clear, focused, and simply happy. And the RX-7? It's not perfect or the fastest, but it makes every drive feels like it means something. And that sound is something you have to experience it yourself to understand. Don't get me wrong, some of my favorite moments haven't been just the solo drives. It's been those random nights in the garage with friends, chasing down issues, celebrating the small wins, grabbing food after a long-range session. That's what it's really about, creating something together. The car becomes the reason, but the memories are what stick. Getting this car was about finally chasing something I've wanted for years. And now, I'm not just building a car, I'm building stories with people I really care about. I want to bring you all into that. The real stuff, the mistakes, the learning, the late night drives, the friendships we have made along the way. This channel isn't about showing off, it's about sharing our passion. If you enjoy what you see so far, please show support by subscribing and continue watching some of my favorite moments building this car. Thank you.